Last year, Huawei surprised everyone by releasing the Huawei Mate 60 Pro with the 7nm Kirin 9000S chipset. Even Huawei released the smartphone when no one was expecting. Huawei initially released the Huawei Mate 60 series in August 2023, and everyone including myself was expecting that its predecessor, the Mate 70 series, might release on the same day. But it seems Huawei's plans are now getting changed. So now, Huawei might launch the Mate 70 series by December this year. Yes, many consumers were expecting to see the flagship lineup in late September or mid-October 2024. However, it seems the firm may delay this case due to the certain ongoing challenges. Tipster Detail Chat Station says that the upcoming Mate 70 lineup will use a self-developed operating system and a new Kirin 5G chipset, although these high-end technologies are in progress and require more improvements at this stage. Further details suggest that the Mate 70 flagship could take time to adapt to the Harmony OS Next operating system, and this may ultimately affect the launch time. Kirin chip, on the other hand, is a still big challenge for the company. Huawei has been expected to use a 5nm chipset for its next Mate lineup. However, some rumors are now suggesting that Huawei will now settle for the 7nm chipset instead of the 5nm chipset for the Mate 70 lineup. However, there are no confirmation on this matter. I will post a dedicated video regarding this news tomorrow, so stay tuned. Anyway, Huawei is now effectively working on making its self-developed software turn stable and build a better than before. Yet, these things might take time, shifting the Mate 70 series launch time to the late Q4 2024 until December. So it seems we have to wait to see the Mate 70 series in actual. Moving on, the tipster also states that the Mate 70 models will now adopt a 1.5K LTPO screen and the OV50K main camera sensor with variable aperture. It may further use ultra-large silicon batteries around 5000 to 6000 mAh for the durable user experience. And apart from the OV50K, some other sensors like the OV50M and the OV50N are also in testing for the Mate 70 handset. The leak also says that the company could adopt a brand new imaging chip to enhance the video recording aspects for its next Mate lineup, so it seems camera-wise, the Mate 70 series will beat everyone out there. And keep in mind one thing, that most of these details are in line with the previous revolutions. Other than these, the approaching series may also use upgraded AI features, Neuralink technology, and some more useful capabilities, uplifting the smartphone experience to the whole next level. Further, Huawei has confirmed to unveil the Mate 70 models in Q4 2024, but the Chinese phone maker has neither revealed the exact time on this matter nor confirmed the news. Hence, it won't be right to consider the given information to be fully accurate. So I would suggest take all this information with a pinch of salt until we get some official news or solid news regarding the phone. So what do you think about it? Are you really sad after knowing that the Mate 70 series launch date is delayed? If yes, let me know in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.